Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be building from a Lego book. The first page is a city scene, which is pretty good, but that's way too much building, so I won't be able to do that. The next page is better than the first one because it's just 2 buildings and a vehicle, which is excelente. The next page is a forest with a car. Wait a minute, can we go back? As you can see in this page, there's a car that can fit 2 people inside, and I have the same exact car and it can barely fit 1. Wow. There was another beautiful day in the Lego city. The car went vroom and the bear helped catch the robbers. The end. The page I'm going to be recreating is the bank scene. It's because I like to build buildings and I think this is going to be perfect. The first thing I'm going to be doing is building the base and then placing all the door frames, and I'm also going to place my custom ATM machine. It actually works, link in description. The colors of the bank were yellow and blue, so I recreated that in Lego. Right beside the bank there was another shop, but I'm not sure what it is, so I'm going to make it a smoothie shop. I also recreated the bank sign over the ATM machine and a tree on the right side. And for the smoothie shop I used the red and white stripe pattern. This is not going to be a modular style building, that's why I'm going to make the backside open. Then I'm finishing off the roof, the tile work, and some little details. Then I recreated all the minifigures. I recreated them with the pieces I had, so some of them look alike and some of them don't look alike. Then I placed the minifigures where they were in the page. Here's the page I recreated, and here's the finished result. I tried to recreate as much as I could, and I think it turned out pretty good. I think the smoothie shop and the bank look exactly the same like it was inside the page. Now let's take a look inside. Inside of the bank, there's a place where you can sign your checks. There's also a rug in the bank. And also by the employee, there's a place where you can put your cash through. Now let's take a look at the smoothie shop. Inside the smoothie shop, there's 2 blenders. And there's a couple of seats. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.